Hi students, first exercise before up to 5 problems completed. Now sixth question. Half the perimeter of a rectangle garden whose length is 4 more than its width, means 4 more than its breadth, is 36 meters. Find the dimensions of the garden. Answer. Let breadth of the rectangular garden. Breadth of rectangular garden equal to x meters. Length equal to, length means 4 more than its breadth, means x plus 4 meters. More means add, x plus 4 meters is length. And the given, so we know that perimeter of rectangle, the perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B, 2 into L plus B, 2 into length means x plus 4, breadth means x, 2 into L plus B equal to 2 into x plus x, 2x plus 4, 2 into 2x plus 4. This is actual perimeter, but half of the perimeter they given. Half the perimeter equal to half the perimeter means 2 into 2x plus 4 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Here they given in perimeter, actual perimeter 36 meters. Half perimeter means 2x plus 4 equal to 36. Here total perimeter by 2. Half means 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Finally 2x plus 4 is half the perimeter equal to 36. For that 2x equal to plus 4 send that sign. 36 minus 4. 2x equal to 32. X equal to 32 by 2. Do cancellation. Will get 16 meters. X equal to 16 meters. Now find length, breadth. Therefore length equal to x plus 4. X means 16. 16 plus 4 equal to 20 meters. And breadth equal to, breadth means x. X equal to 16 meters. Breadth equal to 16 meters. Length equal to 20 meters. Seventh question. We have a linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of pair of formed in intersecting lines. They given one of the linear equation. Write another linear equation that two linear equations form intersecting lines. Here given equation, seventh question, given that 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. For that take one of the new equation x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. So based on condition write first one, a1 by a2 equal to, a1 means 2, b1 means 3, c1 means minus 8. Here a2 means 1, b2 1, c2 minus 4. Like compare the two equations, 2 by 1. Next b1 by b2, 3 by 1. C1 by C2, minus 8 by minus 4, minus 8 by minus 4. Here 4 negative get cancelled, 4 ones 4 twos, 2. C1 by C2 equal to 2. For that condition observe here, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, condition for the intersecting lines. Therefore, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Graphically represent about that condition intersecting lines. Second one, actual given equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, and we take new equation, take 4x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Here compare all coefficients. This is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, like a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to minus 8, a2 equal to 4, second equation, b2 equal to 6, c2 equal to minus 9. Compare all coefficients. a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 4, do cancellation, 1 by 2. Next, b1 by b2 equal to 3 by 6, 3 ones, 3 twos, 1 by 2. And last one, c1 by c2 equal to minus 8 by minus 9. Minus get cancelled, 8 by 9. So about this, what is condition here? a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. This condition for that inconsistent system, no solution for that. Graphically represent to parallel lines. Next, third example, given equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, and take new equation, but they are asking only find that intersecting lines. New equation 4x plus 6y minus 16 equal to 0. Compare all coefficients. a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to minus 8, a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to 6, c2 equal to minus 16. Compare formula. a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. Next, b1 by b2 equal to 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. c1 by c2 equal to minus 8 by minus 16. Minus get cancelled, 8 ones, 8 twos, 1 by 2. All are equal. So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. It is form intersecting lines. Eighth question. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. If we increase the length of 10 units and decrease the breadth by 5 units, the area will increase by 50 square units. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Answer. Let the length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle equal to x units. Breadth equal to y units. Area of rectangle. What is area of rectangle? Length into breadth means xy units. Xy units. Next, if length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units, area reduced by 80 square units. Means reduce means minus, increase means plus. Means about that length area means length into breadth. X minus 5, y plus 2. Means here length is reduced by 5 and breadth is increased by 2 units. Means x minus 5, y plus 2. Means length into breadth. What is this? Area. According to given equation, we will get total xy minus 80. Here solve these equations. Do multiply x into y, xy plus x into 2, 2x minus 5 total bracket multiply minus 5 into y, 5y minus into plus minus 5 2's 10 equal to xy minus 80. Here 2x minus 5y, 2x minus 5y minus 10 equal to xy. This xy send that side minus xy minus 80. This 80. xy minus 80, xy minus 80. This xy send that side, change it to minus. These two get cancelled. 2x minus 5y minus 10. Here minus 80 send this side. Plus 80 equal to 0. 2x minus 5y minus 10 plus 80 plus 70 equal to 0. This is one of the equation. So another equation, if line length increase by 10 units and breadth decrease by 5 units, or area will be increased by 50 square units. Means find equation according to conditions. X plus 10. Increase means add, decrease means do subtraction. Y minus 5 equal to area xy plus 50. Find this equation. X into y, xy minus 5 into x, 5x. Binomial product like plus 10 total bracket multiply plus 10 into y, 10y minus 10 into 5, 50 equal to xy plus 50 minus 5x plus 10y minus 50. Here plus xy minus xy get cancelled. Means this xy send that side, change it to minus xy. Already xy minus xy get cancelled. 50 minus 5x plus 10y minus 50. This 50 send this side, minus 50 equal to 0. So minus 5x plus 10y minus 100 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Solve equation number 1 and 2. First equation, 2x minus 5y plus 70 equal to 0. Second equation, minus 5x plus 10y minus 100 equal to 0. Here observe, y get cancelled purpose. Here 5 is there, 10. Do multiply with 2. First equation multiply with 2 into 2. Now write another equation. 2 2's 4x minus 2 5's 10y plus 70 into 2, 140 equal to 0. Second equation write as it is. Minus 5x plus 10y minus 100 equal to 0. Add these two equations. Means here minus 10y plus 10y get cancelled. 4x minus 5y minus x. Here 140 minus 100 plus 40 equal to 0. Minus x equal to minus 40. X equal to 40. Now x equal to 40. In this x substitute any one equation. X means we'll get length. X substitute any one equation. Take first equation from equation number 1. 2x minus 5y plus 70 equal to 0. 2 into x means 40 minus 5y plus 70 equal to 0. 40 into 2, 80 minus 5y, 80 plus 70. We'll get here plus 80 plus 70 equal to 0. Here 2 into 40, 80. 80 plus 70 equal to 0. Minus 5y plus 150 equal to 0. Minus 5y equal to minus 150. Y equal to minus minus get cancelled. 150 by 5 5 30s, y equal to 30. Length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle equal to, we'll get x. X means length of the rectangle 40 units, breadth equal to 30 units.